Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it.
B&B all the way!
Oh guys, gusto mo ma-experience ang free travel like this? Meron kami mga free travel like Subic. Ngayon nasa Subic kami, Sunoria. Nakuha namin ito dahil sa B&B. Gusto mo ba ma-experience ang free travel? Pag B&B ka na.
Thankful and grateful, no? Salamat sa B&B Placenta Plus 8 months to this business, no? Bago ako sumali, last year, nanalo po ako ng MG 2024, no? This time, mamimigay po ulit ng raffle MG 2025 ng kulay pula. Dahil lang po yan sa B&B Dear Placenta Plus.
Hi everyone! Guess na Carano. Salamat guys. Sobrang thankful ako ngayon sa mga nangyayari dahil at the young age nararanasan ko yung mga ganitong klaseng incentives ng company. So sa mga kabataan dyan guys na mga nanonood, guys, sa mga gustong malaman kung anong ginagawa namin, guys, tara samahan nyo kami.
Hi mga ka-B&B! So nandito kami ngayon sa Subic kasi imagine mo, nag-avail lang ako ng 4 na bote pero magandang part yan, nakabenta lang ako ng 4 pero libre lang ako dito sa B&B pa-incentive ng company. So ano pang ginagawa mo, bumili ka na, hindi ka lang healthy, is mag-i-enjoy ka pa dito sa B&B. So B&B all the way.
Thank you B&B sa free incentive sa Subic Yachts Camp. Yes!
Thank you, B&B!
Hi, I'm Jamie Ejercito from Driven Community. Salamat sa B&B at nakaano ko ng incentive ng yacht.
My name is Catherine Nang. I'm from Driven Network. I'm so blessed na na-qualify ako coming here to Subic Yacht Club. Thank you, Chairman, for this opportunity. Thank you, B&B.
I'm Miles Salvador. We are here now at Subic Yacht Club. Thank you, B&B!
Thank you B&B sa free travel incentive. Nagpapasalamat ako sa B&B kasi na-hit ko yung incentive Subic Club.
Thank you dahil nakakuha ko ng free incentive dito sa Subic Yacht Club.
Thank you B&B sa free Subic Yacht incentive.